Hello all, welcome to Harsha Trainings. I am Keshav, Fullstack Development Trainer. Today we conducted demo session for new batch. In that we discussed what is full stack development, why we need to learn full stack development, and who are eligible to learn full stack development. And after that we have seen what are the roles of full stack developer in an IT company. We have seen. Then we discussed about job market, and also we have discussed all the projects we are going to do in this particular course. We have extensively discussed about it. I hope you guys have enjoyed the session. By any chance, if you have missed the session, don't worry. The session has been already recorded, and you can get the recording session by calling to the number displayed on this video. And even the same session was uploaded to the YouTube channel Harsha Trainings, and you can see there as well. From Monday onwards we are going to start regular sessions. Try not to miss the sessions, guys, and if you have your friends also, just inform them. Already video is there, right, for a demonstration. They can go through that and they can attend from Monday for regular sessions. All the very best, guys.